Sporkle. Hey everyone. So, I had been looking for things to do that are Halloween related, and I was looking for more quizzes, and I remember I did that quick, well, it wasn't really quick, well it was, but it wasn't, that bad jokes game, and I really liked doing it, so I wanted to see if I could find any more kind of quiz-like Halloween games. So I found a website called Sporkle, and I like saying it. I kind of fished around a little bit and saw a couple of big Halloween trivia games, so we're gonna play them because I feel like it. I have to set up my computer first and pull up the game, and then we can get started. Oh, my back hurts though. Alright, so I don't remember what I clicked on to find all the games. Oh, that's what I wanted to do. So the first game we are going to test out and see is a Halloween murder mystery. And it involves murder, intrigue, and a hefty amount of brain power. Which I feel like I don't have any right now. Alright. I don't really know how to play this, so bear with me. Can you name the murderer, victims, and those still alive in this Halloween murder mystery? How to play. Alive means alive and innocent. For example, even though the murderer is technically alive, it does not count as an alive villain. Consequently, if you mark alive for the murderer, you lose. Adjacent includes diagonals and, I guess, side to sides. A villain can see everyone in its row, column, and diagonals. So in this logic puzzle, oh geez, mark each villain as A, alive, B, victim, or the M, murderer. Only one. Remember, ruling out one choice still leaves two possibilities. Alright, let's play the quiz. Alright, Count Dracula. Okay, so Freddy Krueger is alive. Two victims lie in opposite corners. So this is the corner. So like a corner would be next to and underneath, maybe? So I'm gonna say Count Dracula is a victim. Okay, and the thing is a victim? Alright. Get out of here, ad. You're blocking my view. Oh, I only have 15 minutes. Alright, victim. Count Dracula. Green Goblin is adjacent to two victims. But I don't know where's Green Goblin? The thing. A knight chess could only hit alive villains from here. I don't know how to play chess. And I don't see Green Goblin anywhere. Okay, what am I marking? Alive, victim, or the murderer? Alright, I'm gonna guess. Norman Bates. I'm gonna say Norman Bates is a victim. Did I lose? Damn, I'm dead. Alright, let's try again. Or are you gonna kick me out? Damn. Alright, well, the next game is, can you pick things associated with Halloween by the third sentence in their Wikipedia article? What? Alright. The term comes from Haitian folklore, where answer is a dead body reanimated through various methods, go away ads, most commonly magic. So where apple poppy? No, that doesn't sound right. Black cat is a dead body. Candy apple. Donnie Darko. Frankenstein's monster. Ghost. Great pumpkin. Halloween poem. Halloween costume. Horror fiction. Jack-o'-lantern monster. Mummy. Skeleton. Mummy maybe? Legend of Sleepy Hollow. Nightmare Before Christmas. Tombstone. Trick-or-treating vampire. Or a zombie. I feel like either mummy or zombie. and if it's Haitian folklore, I don't really know Haitian folklore. I'm gonna go with zombie. Whew, I got that right. Along with Irving's companion piece, Rip Van Winkle, Answer is among the earliest examples of American fiction with enduring popularity. Um, uh, Frankenstein's Monsters Legend is this. It's gonna be wrong. I got that right. There are two major types of answer, solid and fluid. There's two types of what? I'm trying to go through all of these and pick a thing. Alright. Oh no, I have 2 minutes. Uh, um, uh, there's two types of nope. Alright, the deliberate attempt to contact the spirit of a deceased person is known as necromancy, or in spiritism as seance. Ghost? They wore shrouds and were often described as bloated and of ruddy or dark count. I can't read. Different from today's gaunt, pale, blank, which dates to the early 19th century. Pale, costume? I don't know, what's wrong. There are many references to the costume during the 18th and 19th century. The Celtic counties, Ireland and Wales. Halloween? Oh, no. To create a lantern, in fact, light source is placed within before the lid is closed. Within a pumpkin? No, what? It burns longer, but what? I'm going to say poem because it said poem. Every year, Linus sits in a pumpkin patch on Halloween night waiting for the Great Pumpkin. Okay, the following, I only have 30 seconds. Oh my god. Films adventure of traveling inside a coward. Sees me new blind to take I don't know. Of humans and other animals we found in every continent, both result in a mommy? Okay, 15 seconds. The word concedes something wrong or evil. Blank is the answer, generally morally. I don't know. Breed is exclusive black cat. Alright, I lost. At 35. I fail. Alright, let's play another one. Alright. I don't know what he's watching. Can you click the correct Halloween candy when given its name? Let's play the quiz. We have 3 minutes. Caramel, apple. Where's the apple? That. Pumpkin. Reese's pumpkin. That nasty looking thing. Oh, Reese's. Damn it. Licorice is black. That was stupid. Tootsie Roll. I can't find it. Is that a poopy looking thing? Peanut butter taffy. I think I always hated that. Yep, those things. Chocolate Mommy. Those look like Raisinets. What's the chocolate Mommy? Nope, Mommy. I am an idiot. Reese's Pieces. I can't see. Swedish Fish. It's like, I don't know what my brain does when I am rushed, but popcorn ball. I don't know. M&M's, lollipops, Snickers pumpkins, this thing, dots. This one's not really a quiz, kind of stupid. Nerds, where are the nerds? Pez and Mellow Cream pumpkins. Alright, I passed. 90%, whatever. Who cares? Can you name the Halloween related characters or items represented by the following nail art? I don't think I want to do this quiz. I kind of just want to take the first quiz I took, because that was kind of hard. How do I go back? No, I don't want to do the nail art one. I'll click on quizzes. No, I want Halloween quiz. Halloween quiz. I don't want images. Vintage Halloween costumes. Halloween riddles. Sure, I'm really horrible at riddles. Answer this riddle. I am big and round. I have many faces. I may be scary, but I'm gutless. What am I? A pumpkin. Pumpkin. Okay, was that it? That was it. Lame. I'm gonna try and find my way back to that other quiz because I'm determined. Okay, so I found my way back to that other quiz. I don't know if it'll shuffle it around or if it'll be the same thing. Okay. Nope, it looks like the same thing. So Count Dracula was a victim, right? And the thing was a victim. And this is where I don't know how to play chess. A knight chess could only hit alive villains from here. I'm gonna cheat and look up knights in chess. Like, there's no quick picture of where a knight can go in chess? Huh? Yeah, that's a knight. Yep, yep. Okay. Is that the knight? They don't do directly. Let's guess, victim. Okay. So, Dracula is a victim. The thing is a victim. The other options are alive and murderer. But how many alive people? Alive and innocent. I'm just gonna start guessing until you give me more clues. I'm gonna put alive. Nope, I'm dead. Jason wasn't a victim. There's two other options. I'm gonna say he's alive. Please be alive. Whew. Okay. Alive. Neither Joker nor Bane are victims. So where's Joker? Oh, Bane is not a victim. So Bane is alive. Okay. Where's Joker? Joker is here. He's alive. Damn it. Okay. Again, the thing that sucks about this is that it's not changing it up. So you're kind of getting the answers if you wanted to do this on your own. Bane was alive. Joker was not alive, but he's not a victim. So he's a murderer, right? Ah, okay. Alright, so back to Bane. Alive. Chucky is either a victim or the murderer. Thanks. Where's Chucky? I need more, like... And I don't know where a knight can go. Where does knights go? Knight directly next to him, they can't go. So you can't hit any of these. You can't get any of these. So then it's the next row. Alive. Okay. I'm adjacent to the murderer. So, and then Chucky can either be a victim or a murderer. I'm gonna say he's a murderer. Okay, I don't want to ruin it for you. So I think I'm gonna try and play this on my own because it really, no, I'm not. Okay, I'm sorry. Wait, Pinhead's alive and I forgot what I put. He was a victim. He is a victim. Pinhead was alive. Bane was... You were alive. Bane was alive. Chucky was a... Nah, I don't remember. Where's Joker? Joker was... I feel like there was another murderer that I found. He was a murderer? Okay. And Chucky was not a murderer, which I just said. So Chucky is a victim. I can see 5 other victims. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. Is Jack a victim? Nope. Alright, yeah, so I'm going to play this on my own. Because I really don't want to ruin it for you. But I will leave the link for this specific one. You can kind of like shuffle around and I don't know, do whatever rinky-dink, stupid, fun, kill time quizzes. But this one has me hooked because I really want to get it. And it helps if you learn how to play chess. I never learned how to play chess. I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm kind of guessing. But it is interesting. So I'll leave the link in the description, and please tell me if you actually get it, or if you tried it, or what. But I got a 27%, and that's the highest score that I could get right now. And I will also let you know by the time I post this if I was able to beat it or not, which probably it's going to be a not. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. It was pretty entertaining to do and fun to play. But yeah, so I guess with that being said, have a wonderful night, morning, evening, or afternoon whenever you're watching, and I will see you lovelies tomorrow. Bye. I lied one more time. Okay, let's play the quiz. I completely forgot everything that I just did. Alright, what did I do? He was a victim, he was a victim. He was a victim. Nope. Okay. Victim. Victim. Alive. 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 Murderer. Murderer. I thought I had murderer.